Okay guys, so I just got back from work, just got here on the family farm. It's getting dark out unfortunately, but I'm gonna try and make a video real quick and go rip around on the old Polaris Assault for the first time this year because we got some beautiful snow here. It's a little crusty, but there's a nice layer of powder underneath. The first ride of the season. Let me get my jacket here, my Castle X jacket. We're gonna go for the first ride of the season right now, right meow. Even though it's getting dark, I hope I can still get a good rip in. We'll see, but yeah, that's what's up right now. Let me jam this in there, put my jacket on. Woo-hoo. I'm gonna try. It's gonna be really hard because I just switched to first shift hours, so I'm working 7 to 3, and you know, it gets dark around like 4:30 or so, so it's kind of hard to be riding after work, but I'm gonna try and make it happen. It's gonna be a good year. Oh no, where's my helmet? It's gonna be a good year for riding. Woo! All right, hopefully you can hear me. Let's go start this bad boy. I gotta put some gas in. I just picked some up at the store, so I'll have to fill her up and then rip tater chip. Oh, heavy breathing. I need more exercise in my life. So this should start second pull. I'm calling it right now. Got the key on. Second pull. I'm calling it. Woo! Ooh, Chinese food. Oh, she died. Just as I was getting some gas. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be because of the lack of daylight, but hopefully we can go rip. I'm really curious to see how this thing handles. I know right now with not a lot of snow, it's not a really good judge of what it can do, but I'm just anxious to get on this beast. I've wanted this sled for so long, and I'll have it. Oh my God, I'm so out of shape. I was really trying to plan for this riding season by actually getting in shape, because every riding season, snowmobile riding season, it kicks my ass. And I'm always like dying. The next day from riding, I'll just be sore, laying in bed like an old man. Oh man. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, I'm so pumped. I'm so sad it's getting dark out, but let's let this warm up for a minute. We're gonna go rip. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but again, hopefully it's some good stuff. I'm definitely planning on taking some time off of work just to make videos. I really got some big stuff planned this year, so stay tuned, subscribe, show your friends, do all that stuff for me. I really appreciate it. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah, buddy. Whoops. What happened? What'd I do? She died. She died on me. What the? What is up here? That was weird. I gotta let her warm up a little bit. Yeah, I was just going, it just cut out on me completely. Don't tell me it's gonna be one of those Craigslist deals. Yeah. Oh, I'm fogging up. Let's see if this camera's still on. Oh yeah, we good. I'm just gonna rip it around the house because I don't want to go too far if it's gonna die on me. It's a little boggy right now. What up with it? All right, well, she's going steady now. Better be for the price I paid for this thing. I got any weird stuff going on over there. Nothing's on fire yet. All right, we're going to the field. First ride of the season. Ooh, she rips wheelies. She rips wheelies, bud. Oh, my brother planted some stuff over here. Can't really remember what, some trees or something. I don't want to run them over. But I ran over something. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow, this thing is snappy. Again, we don't have too much snow, so it's hard to tell, but she's got some cojones. I mean, he's got some cojones. Let's see what Carvin can do for this boy. Ooh. Wow, I gotta get used to that. Ooh, that's light. Oh, man. Wow. So far, I am impressed with the power, and I'm impressed with the flickability and lightness. My visor keeps fogging out. That's not too cool. But, yeah, in some deep powder, this thing would be a monster. Alright. Let's do some circles here. See what we got. I got a little hard with the frozen ground. I was just digging into the ground. Oh yeah. Can you see that? All that mud. Now I'm gonna go to the big hill over here, and we're gonna try some wheelies, because I was just wheeling over there. It's power. You gotta get used to that. I'll wait for this car, I guess. Hopefully you guys can see right now. Let's go try some wheelies on this hill. Yeah, like I said, big plans. Big plans for the future here. Hopefully this thing doesn't catch on fire, doesn't blow an engine, you know. Okay. Oh boy. I did not realize that was there. Hey, I lost my lights. I lost my lights. I hit that huge brush over there, that pile of brush. I was getting prepared to go over the handlebars. I don't know what is in there. There's obviously, oh, that would have been so bad. Gotten impaled by that thing. I was gonna say there's obviously a reason he didn't mow that. All right, well, I lost my lights already. That's not good. We got some problems already with this thing. It died on me once, and the headlights blew out. Oh, I'm blocked off here. If you guys can see, you see all those bales? We just had a huge flood, and my brother's bales, his hay bales, got carried away. The road was kind of messed up for a while, and his hay bales went across the road. It was a mess. can't believe I was literally probably like 3 feet away from destroying my sled and going over the handlebars on the very first ride. Because that log that was there, I should have scanned the area before I decided to pull some wheelies up the hill, but geez, that was really, it was close. Alright. I got problems with this thing already, you believe that? Lost my headlights, died out. I don't know what that was over there. Alright guys, well that's it. First ride, Polaris Assault 800. I'm a little upset. It's kind of an uneventful video, but I don't even know if I'm going to post it because it might not, the GoPro might not have picked it up, the ride in the dark. So I don't know if this is going to go up, but if it is, you guys let me know what you think of that thing and what happened today. And also, been hearing a lot of mods that you guys want me to do for that thing. Hearing a lot of GGB exhaust. I think that'd be pretty sweet. So I don't know. We'll get a new exhaust, some risers, maybe some powder skis, studded track. I don't know, there's all kinds of things. So keep those comments coming. Let me know what you guys want me to do with that thing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for some crazy stuff. Yeah, buddy.